What's up, iSnag? It's Albert here. Travis and I, Travis Polk, Lonestarriverriders, we're doing some uncharted Saba River float today. Doing a lot of search on Google Maps out here in small town Texas where my grandparents live. We are going to do a float that I don't think anybody's done in a really long time. So hopefully we get on them. The potential looks crazy, and hopefully we can put together a nice video, catch a couple 5-6 pounders, and win river bassing, right, Travis?
Hell yeah.
You heard him. All right, well, stay tuned. We'll get on them.
What up, iSnag?
What up, iSnag? In the brush for work on film. There you go. You lost your paddle. Look at that, T-Poke, first one to strike blood, and he lost his paddle. Am I fishing with a rook or what? Holy shit. That's a huge cottonmouth. Look how black it is.
Oh, fuck.
He's scared though, that's good. God almighty, that's a big one. Oh my God, that is one huge gar. That's a big old black gar. Dude, Travis, that is a huge black gar. Oh my God. That had to be a carp. What up, iSnag? It has been a slow day. Water depth is, I think, the problem. I haven't been in water deeper than 4 feet. For sure.
Oh my God, he kind of turned. That's a big fish. Going back to his rock. Quit hogging up the river.
Oh, hell no.
I think they're immune.
I don't think they're like... Got that on film. I saw him come back and hit it again. Nothing big. Most aggressive fish I've had all day. Oh God. Yep. He smoked fucking shad. Dude, I can't even lift him up. Dude, that's a hefty one. Woo-wee. I got one in a ham sandwich. I got one of the swim bait fish right there. Hold on, it's bleeding. Let me get it out. Alright, I snag. Smoke the swim bait. See if we can get another one. Go down. God. Oh, right at the. Oh. Dude, that was crazy. I just turned on my camera too. Right at the boat, annihilated it as soon as I was about to pull it out of the water. I mean, he was probably the same size as the last one, but holy crap. Oh God, that was a. That had to be a gar, dude. No, fucking bass. God damn. Nice one. I was like, there's no way that wasn't a bass.
You hit it 3 times?
3 times. And the first time, I threw my jig and it kept going. I was like, all right, dude, it ain't fucking that deep. Look at that one. Look at that golden bass. Hey. Another runner on film. Well, at least I got a YouTube. At least I got a YouTube video out of today. What? You're cool, dude. What are you doing? Right here. Told you, boyo. Oh, he came off. All right, nice snag. That was a pretty fun float. To be honest, we didn't catch too many big ones. I caught probably 4 or 5 18s. That was going to be my biggest one. My biggest one was like 18 and a half or so on that swim bait. But stay tuned. You know, we knocked out another river, Saba River, out here in West Texas. You know, so make sure you subscribe right here, and make sure you check out that last video over here. Pretty cool day on the South Llano River. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next one.